Topic is auditor using the work of others. There are times when auditor have to use the work of others. The auditor during the process of audit may use the work of internal auditor, expert and the component auditor. Now, you are familiar who is the internal auditor. It is the auditor of the company. He is the employee of the expert. There are times when a certain area requires the expert knowledge and auditor is not an expert of that. Usually auditor have a general understanding, but it is not a expert. For example, actuarials are the expert of valuation for employee benefit plans. So auditor cannot put the value on the entire share scheme or share plan or share option scheme, but actuarials are the expert, and there are times when we have to use the services of the expert. Same as it is component auditor. Component auditor is for example, I will explain you who is a component auditor. For example, there is a group, they are with 3 subsidiaries, a parent and 3 subsidiaries, means there are in total 4 companies, 3 subsidiaries and 1 parent. So A, B and C are the subsidiary, and A is the parent, B, C and D are the subsidiary. So this can happen that, for example, D have a different auditor than the auditor the parent have. So A, B and C, those 3 companies have the same auditor. Some example, we are the auditor, but D have a different auditor. So auditor of the D company is called component auditor. So component auditor is the auditor of a subsidiary different from the rest of the group. So there are times when the auditor have to rely on the work of others, and others include internal auditor, expert and component auditor. So ISA 600 component auditor, ISA 610 internal auditor and 620 expert provide similar guidance on using the work of others. There are certain prerequisites that need to be considered when we are using the work of others. The use of work has certain prerequisites. There are 4 prerequisites. First is independent, means that the other person should be independent. Independent means neutral. The second is competence. The person, the company or the one whom we are going to rely on the work of should be competent. Independent, neutral, competent. Third is experience. Should have experience in his particular field. The experience can be with the company, but the more is should have experience in the relevant industry. And the fourth and the last is adequacy of work documented. Any sort of work performed for the company, for the entity, should be adequately documented. So the 4 prerequisites are independence, competence, experience and adequacy of work documented. The 4 prerequisites that are common in all the ISAs of using the work of others, that is 600, ISA 600 component auditor, ISA 610 internal auditor and ISA 620 expert provide the similar guidance on using the work of others.